A tea factory in Fort Portal is one of the rural businesses that can boast about being a beneficiary of the recent attitude change by the banking sector towards the agriculture sector. Through a contract funding arrangement, the factory receives credit from banks for which it guarantees repayment and then extends it to farmers in terms of inputs.
Bank of Uganda Limited financed the installation and procurement of the tea processing plant that we have just seen. Now, what Stanbic Bank agreed with Rusekere is that Rusekere would take care of the farmers, and as Stanbic Bank, we would finance the tea factory to access the fertilizers and the herbicides and other inputs which are distributed to the 800 farmers who supply tea to the factory.
This attitude change, according to industry observers, is being pushed in part by the growing competition and the near saturation of the usual safe market segments like the corporate and formal sectors. This has left the previously avoided sectors also deemed too risky, like agriculture, as the areas for growth expansion. However, even with this positive trend, some in agriculture still feel that more needs to be done.
The financing, we are only getting it from one bank. We still need more financing to cope up with the growing up volumes of leaf we are getting and the higher production.
With the agriculture sector being a major preoccupation for most Ugandans, more help in formal financing is needed. However, in a country where only 4 million people hold bank accounts, this help clearly needs to go beyond just extending financing.